What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I need your help. Today is July 17th, and it is my 40th birthday. And you see, I've been gardening since I was a young child, and I already have this old man lifestyle down pat, but what I really don't have is a midlife crisis. Now, I've been batting around a few ideas. I thought about buying a Corvette, flying to Turkey and getting a hair transplant, and finding a younger girlfriend. But I ran these ideas by my wife, and she wasn't a fan of the younger girlfriend angle or the hair thing. So while she would love a Corvette, it is just way too expensive. So what I really need is your help. Please drop some comments down below. What should I do for my midlife crisis now that I'm 40? Because I really only have one shot at this, and I want to have the best crisis possible. Now, obviously a lot of what I just said was in jest, but I am genuinely looking for advice now that I've turned 40 years old. I know that a lot of people watching this video are older than me, and you've gone through this age transition, and you have a lot of wisdom to share. So I would really like your thoughts. Drop some ideas below. How should I celebrate becoming 40? What should I look forward to in this decade? What little bits of wisdom can you give me? I'd really appreciate it. I love learning from people who have gone through a lot of these same things. And I also wanted to take a moment to thank every single person who has supported me over the years. Whether you're a new viewer or you've been watching from the very beginning, I've been making these videos for over 8 years between this YouTube channel and my main YouTube channel, The Millennial Gardener. I could not keep making these videos without you and your support, and I just wanted to let you all know how grateful I am. And that being said, on my main channel, The Millennial Gardener, I just released a video on my birthday explaining many of the new life changes I am going through. I made a massive change to my life, and it's going to have ripple effects on every single thing I do moving forward. And I've been keeping it a secret for a while, but I wanted to disclose all this information to all of you and reveal this secret and come clean. So if you want to see what I've done recently in my life and how it's going to affect things moving forward, please watch that video. I'll link to it both above and down in the video description. Thank you all for your support. It means the world to me, and this is today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.